Yo guys, it's John here with Option Lab. Glad you guys are taking the time and initiative to watch this video and learn the strategy, because in 5 minutes, I promise if you stay for this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make 500 this week trading 70% plus probability options. This is the exact strategy that 2024 year to date has led to an 81% gain to loss ratio, allowed me to purchase a 2025 M4 competition, allowed me to grow my account substantially, all the while pursuing hobbies such as the gym and traveling with friends that I enjoy. And that's the beauty of this strategy. It's super passive and it prints money in the background. If you guys are a matrix bot that has to sit in an office all day and you want to make extra money on the side and you know that you could be doing more with your life, this is a fantastic strategy for you if you can just apply a little bit of your focus and your attention and brain power. Okay. This strategy works for a variety of different account sizes. There's a ton of different ways to manipulate it, but in this case, I'm going to make it super simple and go through how the strategy works on a bullish trade. Okay, so step one is we're going to find an oversold stock with high IV. We want to find a stock that's oversold that we think might go up, so we could use indicators like the RSI or whatever it may be that has high IV. High IV has high option premium, and since we're selling to open options, in this case, we want higher premium. So number two, we're going to sell a naked put or bullish credit spread on that stock we find, and we need to choose a strike price with over 70% probability for that naked put or the top leg of your bullish credit spread. Let's go through a very simple example to illustrate what I'm talking about. So this stock currently here that I'm making up is at 25. So the first question we need to ask ourselves is, so does it fit the criteria? In this case, let's just say it does. The first question we need to ask ourselves is, what price do we think that this stock will stay above by what date? So let's say we pick an expiration that's out 1 week. So say next Friday. And we think right now it's trading at 25. We think that it's going to stay above 20. So the first step is we're going to sell to open the 20 put. And for doing so, we actually receive $200 in premium. If you're used to buying options, you're used to paying out a debit. In this case, you're selling to open, so you're getting a credit. And let's ignore this bottom leg first and just go over if you sold a naked put. In this case, you collect 200, and as long as that stock stays above 20, which is a 70% likelihood based on the delta, by expiration, you keep that 200 and you move on. In the case that it goes below it, you get assigned 100 shares of that stock, but you could always close it out early too if you wanted to. Now, how can we make this account or this strategy more small account friendly? To do this, we have to create what's called a bull put spread. And that would entail buying a put at a lower strike price than our higher leg here that acts as a kind of protective layer. So in this case, I used buying the 18 put, and for doing so, we have to pay out a debit of 100. And what this does is they kind of cancel each other out. Again, this is a very cursory look at this. I have plenty of other videos, but what this does is it creates a net credit spread. So we received 200 for selling the 20 put, and we paid 100 for buying the 18 put. So netting out, we made $100 with a 70% probability trade. And all that has to happen by expiration is this stock just has to stay above our top leg of our credit spread, and we keep our $100. Super simple, very intuitive, high probability. If you spend a little time watching my videos, you'll understand how this works better. So just 2 trades I recently took. So these are naked puts. In other words, there's no protective layer underneath. So this is SMCI. I sold 100 of the 19.5 puts, made 11,000. And as long as SMCI stays above that price by expiration, I keep all that premium. And that was about an 80% likelihood. So what other traders are you seeing making 11,000 with 80% probability trades? Same thing here. Another 100 that I sold. Okay. So in closing, if you guys feel comfortable with that strategy and you know what you're doing, I send one winning high probability trade for free to you right to your inbox. If you go to my website, theoptionlab.com, and click join now, you only pay your subscription if that trade wins. If you still feel like you need more work on the strategy and want to learn more, click the link in the description below. Join my Discord. I have a ton of free resources, and I am always available for you to message me. In fact, I'll reach out to you personally if you join. I'll see you soon.